If you have a maintenance loan agreed by the student loans company, we will confirm your loan when you collect your student ID card and complete the right to study checks. If you are a returning, continuing or distance learning student with an approved maintenance or postgraduate loan, you can release the money on eVision following your registration. The maintenance loan confirmation tile will appear on your eVision homepage 7 days before the course start date. Read the information on screen, checking the box to confirm you are both registered and in attendance for this academic year. Click Submit. You should receive your first loan instalment within 5 working days after confirmation, but not before your scheduled payment date.